Todoist tutorial for beginners for project and task management. Hello there, today we'll learn more about how to make use of Todoist, where this will allow you to organize your work and life equally. So here on your browser, you can search for todoist.com, and here you can browse on details before you'll be able to log in, where this will allow you to clear your mind, where you will be able to reach a mental clarity that you've been longing for, where this also is an easy or a beginner friendly platform for you to improve your project management. So here are your features that you can make use when using this platform. And here you will be able to see the benefits as well for using this platform. So once done, what you can do here is that for you to create your own account, you can click on start for free, and then you can sign in with your Facebook, Google, or your Apple account, and then you can just choose whatever you want. Wait for it to load up. And here you will be routed into a page where you will be creating your Todoist profile. So you can input your name and then click on continue. And here you will be able to choose on what plan or how do you plan to use this platform. So is it for work, education, or personal use? Then you can just click on continue. You can also click here on what's your status for using productivity apps. And then click on launch Todoist. And then it will route you into your dashboard, which means this is your homepage for your Todoist account. So in order for you to start creating or managing your projects or task, you can click on this menu in order for you to view your project list. So here you'll be able to view your inbox, your priorities from that's ranking from first priority until the fourth priority that you have. Then you can click on the to-do list that you will need to do today. And here you'll also be able to see the upcoming events that you will be looking forward. For example, you have deadlines or anything like that. So here, for example, under the today tab, we will add a to-do list that you or add a task in order for you to create or add one. You just need to click on the plus icon and then you just input the task name. You can set the date when that would be due. You can even set its priority, and you can even set the reminders, but that's only for Pro, where you need to pay for a subscription for you to access the reminder feature. So here you can add more details. You can even add subtopic or subtask rather. And then here under the upcoming events, you will be able to add the tasks as well from here on a calendar view. For example, that task will be due on Friday. You can add or click on the add task button. Then you can even change the layout from board to list, but I like the board view better. And that's basically how you do or modify the upcoming events. And here you can even filter labels or create your own labels, so you can modify if it's priority or if it's for revision. You can add that there. And here under the projects, you can actually create your own project here. So this is just some of the examples. So you can add a subtopic from a specific task. So let's say I will add a project, just click on a plus icon. We will be inputting the task, when the task is due, what is the priority ranking, and then we can name the task. And then we can, here on these icon here, the pencil icon is for editing. This icon will be for setting a due date, and you can even comment on a specific task so that you will be able to know on what's the progress on that specific task. So let's say you want this to be due tomorrow, this weekend, or the next week. These icons that is shown here will actually allow you to automatically set the due date into the account depending on when you want this to be due. Or you can manually pick a date as well when you click on the three dots option. Here. So you can even move the project or duplicate the project that you have, if in case you have similar projects with the same process, you can just duplicate that. So another option here is that on the upper right corner, there's a few tools that you can use as well. You can also add a task from there with a plus icon. So you just input the name, the description on what the task is about. Then you can set the labels or add an extension. These extensions here are, if for example you want to add a template or you want to use an AI assistant, or you can even export Google Sheets from here as well, and even track your task as well on what habits that benefit your task or benefit in finishing your task. So here under settings, you'll be able to view as well on what are the things that you can modify here on to your account. For example, you can change the theme that you have. You can have dark mode depending on what you like. So once done, you can just click on update and it will automatically update into your account. So there's a lot of options here that you can use, and that's about it. That's how you will be able to make use of the Todoist in order for you to improve your project management better. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.